also has been injured and remained paralyzed after his life while trying to stop the terrorists on that day. The systematic attack against the Turkish terrorists has started in 1970. Turkish diplomats have started in 1973, and it has continued till 1984, 11 years. And during that time, more than 36 Turkish diplomats and the members of the families of these diplomats have been assassinated. And the attacks occurred in 4 different continents, 21 different countries, and more than 300 civilians have also been injured during these attacks. The perpetrators undertook different names. Some of them, they became members of Asala. Sometimes they became members of Armenian Revolutionary Army. Sometimes they called them Armenian Justice Commandos. But this doesn't change the fact that, these are all terrorist attacks. Ambassador Galip Balkar had a very distinguished diplomatic career. He was one of the best top diplomats of Turkish Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and he was working as a chief of cabinet of the Turkish president before coming here. And occasionally, I do come across the people who had known him very well, and they were all talking very positively about Ambassador Galip Balkar.